See, there's not enough light, so I'm not getting very good video, honey. Unfortunately.
So how old were you when you went to Shea Stadium?
8 years old.
8? It's 11.
Worst concert of my life. Couldn't hear a damn thing.
Oh, that's a shame. I heard everything. I went home and I recorded it in my diary. Every single song they played.
I write it down as you went?
No, I remembered them. I was the first one to do that. Now everybody, oh, what's the set list? What did he play? I did it from Shea Stadium in 1965.
There he is. There he is. He's got a darker jacket on. Okay, there he is.
Got in this side of the car.
So we're at the Smoothie Center and Paul McCartney has gotten into the car with the band and we're waiting for them to drive on out.
Mary, don't get too excited. Get your video done.